Anyiti itemi mathakoini nikiingirite thiku ya keri na ya muthia guku muciini munene wa Nairobi rungu rwa mutaratara wa gucenjia mathako. Anyiti itemi acio a mathako marongoreirie gukorwo makiarira mitaratara iria yagirirwo kana iria itanyitwo ikorwo ikiagirithia na kana kwagirithia mathako na makiria ma mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini wa Kenya oro ndumwe na guteithia muthako ucio gukorwo ukihanda na kugacira.
This is really the idea behind organizing the Africa Football Business Summit. It's about bringing stakeholders together to see what can be done to move the industry forward, football and sports in general. It's high time we had a stronger participation from the AU specifically. CAF already is involved in the football space, that's automatic. But in terms of creating a framework where sports, football can thrive as a business, then we need players like the AU to come in. The lack of transparency, accountability in the federation is a consequence of mismanagement, which is again a lack of having the right professionals in the right place. So how we fashion our players, our youths, when they take up leadership position, that will determine their integrity, and which will enhance transparency and accountability in the ecosystem.
It is very important for the leadership of any sports entity, once you've closed the deal, to ensure it works out by providing, because you understand the game better than the other guys that are giving you money. You understand your business. So it's very important for you to be able to give insights and advice in terms of how to execute the sponsorship, provide avenues for activation, such that the sponsor is happy with the results that they are getting. The discussion at the point of renewal becomes much easier.
Kigomano Kia